Okay, in this video I'm going to go through how I set up my Blue Yeti microphone so that I could listen to myself on my headphones while I was recording. The problem was when I first plugged in my Blue Yeti, plugged in my headphones into the Blue Yeti, I couldn't hear myself through my headphones. So I'll go through how I set it up in properties here. So you just right click on your speaker, go to sounds, and you got two tabs. You want to make sure your Blue Yeti shows up as in playback and has Yeti stereo microphone speakers. And you want to make sure it shows up in a recording as your microphone. So what I had originally done is I had right clicked on microphone and I had gone and I hit properties and went to listen, and I checked on this box, which is listen to this device. I hit apply. That's where you get crazy latency. So I have to turn that off and hit apply. And okay. If you have that box checked, you're going to get crazy latency. The way you set it up so where you can hear yourself is you actually do through playback. You right click on your speakers, your Yeti stereo microphone speakers, go to properties, go to levels, and see how this little speaker is muted. You just unmute that and click OK. Click OK, and now you can hear yourself perfectly with zero latency, and you can monitor your audio while you're recording.